The first thing that we're going to do inside of 3ds Max and 3ds Max Design is set up our interface so that we have consistency when we're using the two programs. Internally, they are exactly the same program, but they have minor differences in functionality. For instance, 3ds Max Design has lighting analysis tools integrated into the program, and some presets that are set up with different values. However, for these tutorials, we'll be setting up a single consistent interface. We will change the units so that we're all working with the same units. Now, units are important for any collaboration. Whether you're working within a company or you're working between two companies, using the same units and building to the same scale will eliminate confusion and possible scale problems when working with different models from different locations. A second very important reason to use consistent units is that objects need to be built to real-world scale. 3ds Max bases its lighting on real-world size, meaning that if an object is 4 inches by 4 inches and another object is 400 by 400 inches, they will not be illuminated the same way by a single light because of their relative scale to the real world. Another important aspect to creating a production within 3ds Max or 3ds Max Design is configuring project file locations. Many companies have very specific project configurations and use some very sophisticated project management software to maintain all their assets for all their 3D production files. Since we're not building a major production, we're doing something fairly simple. We're going to set up the default project location where we're going to retrieve and save all our working files for these lessons. We're also going to change the default user interface and some presets so that we're consistent in our interface throughout the lessons. In the process, we'll cover how to save your user interface and recover from customization mistakes.